I think it's a focus. G'day everyone, my name is Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but I am back again. So the other day, back in April, it was actually my birthday and it was my 18th birthday, and my magnificent cousin Nicola, shout out to you, she gave me a bit of a helping hand with Kiana's creations and gave me, for my birthday, a $50 Spotlight gift voucher. Now, the other day I went to Spotlight to see how many things I could get with $50. For those of you that don't know what Spotlight is, basically Spotlight is this massive like craft store, I guess. So, I think that's actually all I've got to say. By the way, just saying that I have never tried these DIYs before because I either found them on Pinterest or they were recommended to me. So this is my first time doing them as well. So with that said, let's get creative. Alright, so this first one, we need a wooden or cardboard block, I guess. I got mine in the shape of the K because Kiana's creations, you know. Some fake flowers, scissors, and some craft glue. So this one was inspired to me from Pinterest. So I'm going to get my wooden block. With your fake flowers, obviously get fake ones, not real ones, otherwise they'll die and it will look bad. So I got some fake flowers. They were all in a bit of a colour scheme. I got red, pink and white. And I got different sizes as well. I got some big ones, got some small ones as well. And what you want to do with the flowers is just cut off this little stem bit. Otherwise when you place it on, it will kind of like stand up and you don't really want to do that. So I'm just going to cut them all off because I don't know which ones I'm going to be using. So it's nice and flat like that. And if petals start coming off, it's fine because they can just glue them back on later. So, oh, okay. Oh, don't do that one. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut all the stems off. Alright, so now that that's done, as you can see, because there's all the little bits of green, you can go ahead and place briefly where you want your flowers to be. I'll work this out in a second. It's a little bit messy, but like I said, it's my first time doing this, so we're just going to go ahead and try it out. I'll quickly do that now, then I'll start gluing them on and I'll come right back. Alright, so this is what I came up with. It's probably not the best, but I mean it's not the worst. Like, you know, maybe just need a bit of different variety in flowers, or you know, a bit more certain colours, but I mean it kind of works, right? It's kind of nice. Anyway, this is my final look. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I tried.
It hurts when you hurt somebody.
Right, for this next DIY, you'll be needing a jar that's big enough to fit candles, an old book, scissors probably, and some glue. I think that's it. Oh, I lied, you need a brush. And you need a brush as well, so you can spread the glue on like a little... Okay, so first we're going to start off with your book. Now before I start, I apologise to all those book lovers out there. Trust me, when I did this, it made me cringe. It was a free old book that I found, and it's, yeah, yes, I know. And it has that kind of yellowy look to it, so it's kind of pretty cool. So the first thing you want to do is rip a couple of pages out of your book. Now if you don't want to rip any pages out of a book, or you don't have a book, you can just print something off, like print music script or lyrics, or like, I don't know, words or whatever. So, oh my god, okay. essentially we want them to wrap around the jar. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold this part, like a little bit of this side, if you can see. Oh my god, and it doesn't, oh my god, it doesn't matter if it rips. I really do not like this at all. I am cringing really hard. Oh my god. Okay, now we're first folding it, so when we rip it, it's kind of got like the, not really, the same look on the other side as well. Oh my god, I really don't like this. Oh my god, that is actually so bad. We're just gonna do that, I guess, until it's, you know, it fits. Oh my god, I really do not like doing this. Oh my god, oh my god. Abort mission. Oh my god. How tacky does that look? And now what we're gonna do is scrunch it up. Open it up. I actually feel really bad doing this too. Okay, well that's not quite what we wanted. Damn. So don't do this. That's not what we were after. I'm just gonna put that to the side there. Rest in peace. You know what? What if I like grabbed a book and like tore it like that? Low key working. Okay, that works. We gotta do it to the other side as well. Okay, lesson learned. Only scrunch it up once. Otherwise, it will look real shocking. No, not the word. Damn it. No. Oh well, too bad. There we go. Oh my god, give it a good old scrunch. Open it back up. Why is this just not working? You know? Like, I don't know. Because that is just not what we were going for. Actually, I think that actually might be okay. You know what? We're going to do that. We're going to work with it. And we're going to use this. And we're going to keep the holes in it. Because I have an idea. I don't think I've ever cried so hard looking at these. But now that I think about it, it might not be that bad. What we're going to do now is I'm going to glue these on to the jar. I'm not sure how well this is going to go, but we're going to wing it. I'm going to get my craft glue and like pour it into something. Oh, I hope nobody needs this. Pour it into here. I'm going to get my brush and I'm going to start just gluing the jar. And I don't know how well this is going to work, but we're just going to do it, you know what I'm saying? Trial and error, you know? You never know if you don't try. Alright, now that's all glued, we're going to glue these bad boys on. I want this on first. And we're just going to actually think this is going to work. Wow, that's stuck on really fast. Okay, go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Glue that part there. Okay. Go, 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 go. Glue, glue, glue. Okay. This is not quite what I was going for. But it kind of works. And now somewhere in here, I don't understand how Pinterest can just, like, they make it look so easy. Like, that was probably the hardest thing and the most rushed thing I've ever done in my life. This is not going to work. And I probably shouldn't do it like this, but I am. This is exactly how I'm going to do it. And if it doesn't work, well, at least you tried, you know what I mean? You can't even see what I'm doing. I'm sorry. I'm really bad at this. Okay. Yep. Nope. So, it's not quite what I wanted. We could still make that look good. You just gotta, like, clean. Hold on. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back and I have an X-Acto knife. Now, I'm not sure how well this is gonna work, because I don't really want to scratch the glass. And I feel like you should have the heart cut out before, but none of this went to plan, so it kind of just didn't work anyway. There we go. That's not bad. Let's get rid of the glue marks. Oh, come on. That's not that bad. It's like a bit of, like, Oh, that's kind of cute. Like that just goes more in the middle. Oh, that's kind of, I quite like that actually. Oh, I like that. None of that went to plan, but boom, I got it anyway. But it kind of gives it that, you know, just that look. Good work, Kiana, good work. I'm proud of ourselves. So obviously the next step now after this is to put your candle in. But I'm gonna put the lavender one in. So these candles were like, I don't know, $1 something I think from Spotlight. Oh, that smells really nice. This is what the candle looks like, and I'm just gonna place it. Oh, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that is so cute. And then you want to light it. Oh my god, it's actually really exciting. I'll be right back, and I'm just gonna grab a lighter because I really want to see if this works. Okay, so I have my lighter. I don't know why I said that twice, that was really weird. Okay, ready? Please don't burn me, please don't burn me, please don't burn me. Yes! Oh, that is so cute. And then when like, oh, yep. I love this. I love it. This is my new favourite thing. I'm impressed with myself. Alright, so that is that one done. I'm really impressed with myself. Good work. Give yourself a round of applause. Good work, guys. Good work. That is that one done.
I know I'd go back to you.
Alright, so for our last DIY, we're going to need a little jar, glue, and glitter. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is, I actually want all these glitters mixed together. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab just a container. You might need one of these as well. And we'll use this part. You're just going to empty all the glitter into one container. Well, I am anyway, because I want all the glitters mixed together. Wow, that was fun. There we go. All the glitter is like layered. And I just think that's pretty cool. Okay, now that it's all in the one container, we're going to put the lid on. We're going to give it a mix. Our glitter is all mixed in. We are going to be making a mess today. So I don't know how well this is going to work, but we're just going to kind of wing it. What we're going to do is pour in some glue. Dab it in. My brush is all gluey. I'm just going to paint the bottom. I guess halfway, maybe, or the whole jar. Let's try the whole jar. What I'm gonna do now will probably make a big mess. I'm just gonna put this magazine underneath because I feel like it's gonna make a big mess. So that glitter, we're just gonna put it in there, and then oh, okay, well that didn't work as expected. This looks cute anyway. Okay, well that's not quite the look I was going for. But that kind of works too, I guess. Will it stay? Oh, it won't stay. Oh, that's annoying. Hey, Mom. I think I'm just going to get you a new brush.
Why? Oh, what kind of glue are you using? Oh my goodness. Well, you don't do it like that. Yeah, why not? It's rubber. Oh, that's not the point. And look at it.
Mom, can you please?
And you don't leave the lid off.
Okay, so this wasn't quite what I was going for, but all in all, it didn't actually turn out that bad. The glitter just won't stay. Watch this. Like, it's all patchy. Like, look, it's all patchy. Because the glitter just won't stay on. So, okay. Oh my god, look at my fingers. Alright, that actually doesn't look too bad. Glitter jars, probably not my best move, but look at this. Look, I just got, oh, it's not even glitter, it's just my finger being retarded. Look, it's not that bad. Like, it's actually kind of cute. It didn't really turn out how I expected it to turn out, but it's actually still pretty cute anyway. The original idea for the jar was to have like the main glitter here, and then it kind of just like ombres out. But obviously that didn't really work, but either way, this still worked out pretty nicely. So I am actually kind of happy with how that turned out. So there you go.
Baby, we don't need no money, no worries tonight. Start a party in the living room. Turn it up until we feel it, boom, baby.
So that's all I have for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And let me know in the comments down below what you think or what your favourite DIY was. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn the post notification bell on so you get updated every time I post a new video. And that's all I have to say. So I hope you all have a very lovely week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. And make sure you turn the bell this way, this way. Hold up. This. This way. This way. One of, wherever the bell is, make sure you press it. Oh, but if you're facing, so like the camera's there, so it'd be this, so this way.
I knew it.
Let's get creative.
Let's get creative.
Let's get creative.
Let's get creative.
Alright. I'm just gonna stop that one there.